In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brighten an image in Affinity Photo. We'll keep this quick, clear, and non-destructive so you can brighten a photo without losing detail or painting yourself into a corner. Start by opening Affinity Photo and loading the image you want to improve. The goal here is to add light and clarity while preserving highlights and texture, and the easiest, safest way to do that is with an adjustment layer rather than editing the pixels directly. At the top of the interface, click Pixel and hover over New Adjustment Layer. Adjustment layers sit above your image and apply changes in a reversible way, which means you can tweak them later or turn them off without harming the original photo. From the list that appears, choose Brightness/Contrast. Affinity Photo will add a new brightness/contrast layer and open its controls, typically showing two sliders, one for brightness and one for contrast. Now, adjust the two. Nudge brightness up slowly to lift the overall exposure. Small moves are best. Think gentle steps rather than big jumps, so you brighten the midtones without washing out the whites. Watch the bright areas of the image. If they start to look flat or lose texture, ease the brightness back a bit, then refine with contrast. Increasing contrast deepens shadows and adds punch, which can bring back shape and definition after brightening. If the image starts to look harsh, lower contrast slightly to soften the transition between lights and darks. A few practical guidelines help here. For dim, low contrast photos, a modest brightness increase followed by a slight contrast boost often feels natural. For scenes that already have strong highlights, lean lighter on brightness and let a touch of contrast do more of the work. Remember, subtle adjustments stack up quickly, and you can always revisit the sliders to fine-tune. And that's it. Open your image, add a brightness, contrast adjustment from the pixel menu's new adjustment layer option, and balance the two sliders until the photo looks clean, bright, and true to the scene.